few months ago, I made a promo video for my Facebook page promoting my photography business. And I gotta tell you, I never had so much inquiries on my photography business than I ever did before. And it's because of that promo video. When I boosted that video, it was overwhelming. Now I'm gonna make another promo video, but this time it's gonna be for someone else. And I'm gonna show you what I think are the 3 most important things when it comes to making a promo video. So stay tuned. My name is Joven Baltazar, and I do a lot of photography stuff and a lot of filming stuff, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure to hit that bell for notifications for my upcoming videos as well. The reason why I'm excited to do this is because every time I get to talk to him, he's passionate with what he does. When I tell you to face me, go ahead, face me, bro. This is Nats, guys, and I'm so honored to do this for this guy, this promo video and his pictures today, because I totally believe not just in his company, but I believe in this guy.
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Nats, and I am the founder and CEO of PointsKO.
Again.
Hi, my name is Nats, and I am the founder and CEO of PointsKO.
When it comes to businesses, especially these days, it's not just about coming up with a business, but a business that actually solves problems. This is the kind of company that he made.
So ayun siya, guys, you'll be able to save and earn. That's on the PointsKO customer side.
I know that a lot of businesses fail, but this guy, whether this business fails or not, I know this guy will succeed. And it just might very well be PointsKO, who is the sponsor of this video. The link is in the description below. Check us out. If you want to sign up, it's there. You can sign up for free. No harm done.
And I also have a lot of talented people behind me helping me, helping me build this business. And one of them is Joven. So Joven is one of our photo and video manager here in PointsKO. So, ayan. All
right, when it comes to the promo videos, there are 3 rules I go by. That's it, just 3. All right, the first one is to keep it short and simple. Too many promo videos out there that I see have all these fancy transitions, fancy editing, and such, that it actually distracts the audience from what's really important. That after the video, you still don't have a clue what the video was really about. So keep it short and simple. Number 2, ask the right questions. What value would it have for a member so that the business would be properly introduced to the main audience and potential customers?
The value you get in joining PointsKO is, number 1, what you need to think of is that mag-join ka man kay PointsKO, hindi. Yung pagbili mo ng bigas, pagbili mo ng tubig, pagbili mo ng gasol, pagbili mo sa sari-sari store, sa talipapa, sa any other business like pizza, salon, barbershop, member ka man ni PointsKO, hindi gagawin mo yan eh. Diba? So, it's better na mag-join ka na kay PointsKO. Kasi pag ginawa mo yung lahat ng bagay na nabanggit ko na yon, at yung ginawa mo yon, but this time, dun ka bumili ng bigas sa PointsKO merchant, this time, dun ka bumili ng gasol sa PointsKO merchant, this time, dun ka bumili ng tubig sa PointsKO merchant, you get points. And then yung points na naiipon mo on a monthly basis is convertible to cash.
What's the business about? Who should be interested in your business to target a special niche of yourself? Who are you?
My name is Nathaniel John Manzano. You can call me Nats for short, and I do have a lot of extensive background in sales when I was still in corporate world.
Number 3 is, I think, the most important one, is that you make sure that the main character in the video speaks from the heart, especially when they're talking about why they came up with the business, why their customers should be involved. Because you got to remember that when people buy your product, or anything for that matter, Sometimes it's essential, but most of the time people buy through emotions. They buy a particular something because there's something about it that hits them emotionally. But whatever it is, you have to have heart.
Yung ino-offer mo, tas yung tindahan na kapitbahay mo, pareho lang kayo ino-offer ng product and services. The question that you need to answer is, why do these customers, bakit sa'yo sila bibili? Diba?
And I'm glad that I'm a part of this company. So wish the company luck and hope this promo video really helps him and this company, because if it succeeds, I succeed, you succeed.
You need to take advantage of this. You need to sign up with PointsKO kasi number one, it's free, and then number two, you'll be able to save and earn. At pag dito ka bumili, meron ka makukuha points. And yung mga points na naiipon mo on a monthly basis is convertible to cash. Hi, my name is Nads, and I am the founder and CEO of PointsKO. PointsKO is your marketing partner. We exist to promote your product and service to PointsKO members. Anyone that wanted to promote their product and service, we have the customer side and we have the merchant side. So dito sa merchant side are those people who has their own businesses. Your business could be, could be pizza business, bigasan, talipapa, sari-sari store, water filling station, gasol. So if you wanted to promote your product and service, you could use a platform. All you have to do is to sign up as one of our PointsKO merchant. And dito naman sa PointsKO customer side, creating an account with PointsKO is number one, free, and then number two, you'll be able to save and earn. Yun lang yung tatandaan. The value you get in joining PointsKO is you get points. And then yung points na naiipon mo on a monthly basis is convertible to cash. So in a way, para ka lang din nakaka-save. So let's say for example, your monthly budget is worth 10,000. And let's say you'll be able to get a cashback or a rebate worth 5% of 10,000. That's how much? That's 500 pesos, right? 500 in a month is 500. Let's take the case of being a sari-sari store owner, which is like our national business dito sa Philippines. Yan yung pambansang negosyo yata dito eh. And I myself is also a sari-sari store owner. The question I would like to ask is, bakit bibili yung mga customers sa tindahan mo? Kasi yung tindahan mo, yung ino-offer mo, tas yung tindahan na kapitbahay mo, pareho lang kayo ino-offer ng product and services. Bakit sa'yo sila bibili? Diba? That's where PointsKO comes in. Kapag yung tindahan mo, meron si PointsKO as your marketing partner. Every time na bibili yung mga PointsKO members sa tindahan mo, they have this motivation na sa'yo bumili kasi bakit? Kasi may babalik na points sa kanila. And then, ang gagawin namin is promote namin yung mga business ninyo, your products and service. We will encourage our PointsKO member to support your businesses. You'll also be able to have an opportunity to earn. If you will share this business, if you will share this company to your friends and families, dun sa points na naiipon nila on a monthly basis, you'll get your own override commission. Lastly, before I forgot, wala ka pong ilalabas na pera. Okay? Libre po yung pag-create ng account. My own sari-sari store. That's why I come up with this idea to have this marketing platform to kind of level the playing field with the big players out there like SM Supermarket, City Mall, Aling Puring, Pure Gold. Ito si PointsKO is something na you could use to promote your products and service. What we're really trying to achieve here in PointsKO, aside from providing value to the merchants, to the PointsKO merchants, is that we're trying to empower the consumers, which is us.
He's passionate with what he does, and I believe that his company will do something really good for the people, do something really good for the Filipinos.